Hello friends, welcome to English grammar class. In this class, we are going to know about prepositions and types of prepositions. Prepositions. Let us see the definition of preposition. Preposition is a word or phrase that connects a noun or pronoun to a verb or adjective in a sentence. Prepositions are normally short words and they normally found in front of nouns. On rare occasions, prepositions can be found in front of gerund verbs. If the subject, noun and verb are the bricks of the sentence, the prepositions are the mortar that connects them. Prepositions are used to connect people, objects, time, and locations. These express position, movement, possession, time, and how an action is completed. Types of prepositions. There are 5 types of prepositions. They are simple prepositions, double prepositions, compound prepositions, participle prepositions, and phrase prepositions. Let us see the simple prepositions. These are the short words used to show the relationship between nouns, pronouns, or to join parts of clause or sentence. Example: in, on, at, off. The pen is in the box. In this sentence, in is preposition. The book is on the table. In this sentence, on is preposition. The second kind of preposition is double preposition. These are formed by joining two simple prepositions. Example: inside, outside, jumped out. He is staying inside. In this sentence, inside is preposition. The man is going outside. In this sentence, outside is preposition. Compound prepositions. These are formed through the conjunction of a noun prepositional word and a simple preposition. Example: according to, ahead of, along with. He finished the work ahead of given time. In this sentence, ahead of is a preposition. Ravi goes to school along with his sister. In this sentence, along with is preposition. Participle prepositions. These have ending such as ed and ing. Example: assuming, considering, during, etc. During summer, my friend goes to Singapore. In this sentence, during is preposition. She was considering that information. In this sentence, considering is a preposition. Phrase prepositions. These are a group of words that does not contain a verb or subject. A prepositional phrase normally has a simple preposition and a noun, or a simple preposition and a pronoun. Example: on purpose, at first, at that time. He went to Singapore on purpose. In this sentence, on purpose is preposition. At the time of accident, It was raining in this sentence at the time is preposition. I hope all of you understood about the types of prepositions. Thank you all. Please subscribe my channel.